NEET SS result will be published within next 15 to 20 days. All the students who are looking for admission in NEET SS wants to know the fee structure, cutoff rank, bond, stipend of different private colleges based on their required super specialty courses. In my earlier video, I shared with you the fee structure of different private colleges in different super specialty courses. I shared the cutoff rank and the score of different super specialty courses and different colleges as well. If you want to know all this information, you can see those videos in our YouTube channel. In today's video, I will share with you the fee structures and the stipend of two reputed private medical college in Bangalore. One is Rajarajeshwari Medical College and another is Sri Devraj URL Medical College. So let's start the fees of different super specialty courses first in Rajarajeshwari Medical College, which is in Mysore Road in Bangalore. In Rajarajeshwari Medical College, DM Cardiology, 4 seats are there. Fees is 10 lakhs per annum. DM Medical Gastroenterology, 1 seat is there. Fees 30 lakhs per annum. DN Nephrology, 1 seat is there. 20 lakhs per annum. MCH Cardiovascular and Thoracic Surgery, 2 seats are there. Fees 5 lakhs per annum. MCH Neurosurgery, 1 seat is there. Fee is 5 lakhs per annum. MCH Pediatric Surgery, 1 seat is there. 5 lakhs per annum. MCH Plastic and Reconstructive Surgery, 2 seats are there. Fee is 5 lakhs per annum. MCH Urology, 4 seats are there and fee is 18 lakhs per annum. Stipend here, many students, they ask me for the stipend. Stipend is 55,000 per month for first year, 60,000 per month for second year, and 65,000 per month for third year. Next is Sri Devraj US Academy of Higher Education and Research. Here, one of the most important specialty courses there, that is MCH in surgical oncology. 3 seats are there in surgical oncology and fee is 23 lakhs per annum. Stipend here is 55,000 per month and first year, second year 60,000 per month and third year 65,000 per month. Student, this is the fee structure of Rajarajeshwari and SDU Kolar, which is in Bangalore. SDU Kolar is nearby Bangalore, not exactly in Bangalore, but it is very near to Bangalore. If you feel this video is beneficial for you, you can like this video. If you have not yet subscribed our YouTube channel, you subscribe our YouTube channel to get all relevant and important informations related to the NEET SS admission. If you have any query, you can give your query in the comment sections of this video. If you are looking for complete counseling and admission guidance for NEET SS, you can contact me in this number 9900486666. Will guide you the entire process of the counseling to get you the best option based on your rank and required super specialty courses. Thank you so much, students.